Alright, we're going to do and talk about writing equations of lines, um, specifically y equals mx plus b. Now, we got two different types of problems, but both have a similar outcome. The first one up here has the slope given to us, and it has a point. The one below has 2 points. So we're going to look at both these instances. Now, multiple choice question, they all have a slope of 2, as you can notice by each of the answers, trying to find the y-intercept out. So we have an x value, we have a y value. We know it's y equals mx plus b form. So we're going to substitute in what we have. Now I know that y is -1, slope is 2, and x, I'll put it in parentheses next to it, is 3. But we need to find out what that y-intercept is going to be. So I'm going to multiply by 2 and 3. Then I have -1 equals 6 plus b. Subtract 6 on both sides. And that means that -7 is going to be our answer for b. So our equation would be y equaled to x minus 7, which is number 4. Now the second one, we're going to have to use our slope formula. So we have an x1, y1, and x2, y2. We'll use that slope formula that's in our reference table. So my slope formula, just in case you don't have it in front of you, is this. So let's substitute it in. We get 3 minus 7 over 3 minus -3. So that makes our slope -4 over +6, which will simplify to -2/3. Now my slope's -2/3, so that means that the answer can't be 2, and it can't be 1. But we still got to find our y-intercept. So I'm going to take the coordinates from the second point, and I'll use that kind of like we did in the question above. So I got a y-coordinate of 3. Slope is -2/3, and x is 3. And we get a value when I find out what b is. -2/3 times 3. This is going to be -2 equals 3 plus b. Finished off by adding 2 to both sides. 2's cancel. Let's cancel both those. And b is 5. So that makes our equation y equals -2/3 x plus 5, which happens to be answer number 3. So when you write an equation, you got to make sure that you use the information they give you in the problem. Like in both of these problems, we had to use a point. And we got to make sure we plug the point in the right spot, otherwise it's not going to give us a correct answer.